Hello, my name is Riad and I am the Fight Director for Boxer Clever's adaptation of Macbeth, so I look after the fights and the weapons. So usually when you see productions of Macbeth, they would tend to go the traditional broadsword, so you have big one or two-handed weapons, and it's all lots of clanging of metal. And if you go more modern, they might use knife, but they're all very dangerous weapons to bring into a school, so we have an alternative. So, what we have here may look like toy lightsabers, but how we stage our version of Macbeth means that it's really on the actor's performance to make you believe that these are much more dangerous. And that's what we do. So as you can see, they are retractable, so we can do a lot with the storytelling and the staging. And when we introduce these to the audience, we have to make sure we give these the status of being dangerous, so they believe what we're doing with them. So usually, when you see the sword, the first time you see one of these come out is at the beginning fight against MacDonald, and it will literally be pulled out like that. So you see that, and what's cool is when we do a stab, it goes straight in. So they're actually quite fun, and when you can pull it out, it also does the same. So we hand on the shoulder, and then point it at his navel. From the nave, see he holds it in.
Okay, and then do I take a step forward as well?
You take a step forward, you've got in. There we go. Look around, turn this way, left foot, that way, and then rip it out. There you go. So we use that a lot, but also because they are light and plastic, they are not dangerous at all. Even if you accidentally go clunk on the head, it's not going to give you a concussion or anything. It also means that if we go into a school, and we do a workshop, a lot of the young people are able to get on and they can have a go as well. So when you use professional fight choreography with what appears to be a kid's toy, they can actually look pretty dangerous.